Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based.
Vincenzo'S Go Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share for a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading, probability-based. Trading alert, tactical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. That's right, old Vincenzo has brought back truth and, most importantly, integrity back into the trading sphere, right? And you can see we got the Bitcoin real quick. It came back up. We're going to zoom out to the 15. Remember yesterday, the last video that we made last night? You've probably seen one that I put out very early in the morning that I felt the need to release. You can see we had that blue ring, the blue fifth circle at 29,702. We hit that underneath target, and then we bounced back. When we were down there, we told you could probably come back up, and you're going to act as the orange descending ring at 32,440 as upper resistance, and we hit it yesterday. Then last night we were coming back down towards the blue ring again, and we said we're probably going to be trading in, quote, a consolidation zone for the next couple of days, maybe in Bitcoin, at least for a little while, a couple hours, a day or two, as we're already at a day now, between upper resistance and lower support. Then last night, the coin was down here. Now we came up to upper resistance, right? The coin was, what is going on? The coin was down there, right? And then now it's pumped. See that? Try that again. Coin was down there, pumped. Now I would expect it to sell off and trade back down towards that blue ring again. If you're trying to get bullish, you got to fire above that orange ring, right? And the crypto liquidations are starting, and people have lost massive amounts of money. As you can see, Terra Luna, I remember when the hype cycle was going on, this nonsense. And actually, let's look at it in the chart. I think I got it on here now. I put it on here just to show. I wanted to use Luna Cypher when I got this going. Yeah, here you go, Luna. Look at that. It's still going down. Luna's going to zero. Anybody that got into the hype train and was listening to any of these hype cycles, any of the hype train, Carl from the Moon, any of these guys, they told you to buy shit like this to get rich. And briefly, and none of these guys sold either. It's incredible. But this coin opened up practically at zero in 2020, and then it pumped all the way up. And this is a nonsense coin. It doesn't do anything except a hype cycle, and everybody bought it because they had a lot of good promotion. But it essentially went up 80,000%, meaning if you put $1,000 in there, for a brief window in history, if you had $1,000 in there and you bought it down here, for 10 cents, 5 cents, a half a penny, your $1,000 turned into $1 to $3 million. But none of these guys sold because they all thought this was going to the moon, baby. And you can see the crypto liquidations that we're talking about is exactly this, a liquidation event. You lose everything. This is one of the most phenomenal collapses in coin history, right next to BitConnect. When it went down, the BitConnect chart looked like this. This is a spectacular crash and a liquidity crunch, a liquidation event of the century that Vincenzo's done warning about, and it's not done. It's only down. It's still got a long way to go down, right? They just lost everything. This has got a long way to go down. You say, well, Vincenzo, it's down 97.69%. Yeah, well, it's got another 3.5% to go from there, or 100% down from current price. The hype cycle's over in this coin. This coin will never come back. And this is the kind of thing, when you get into this nonsense and the hype cycle, you look like a genius for a brief moment in history of the nonsense that you bought pumped. But now this one's dead, and it's going essentially to zero because it's going to be worth no money. They're going to be worth less than a penny again. It's over for this coin, and we have a Ted Bundy alert. I missed it. No, we had a Ted Bundy alert back there. We had a Beto. Ted Bundy alert. Fuck. I wanted to get that. It fucking took too long. Guy just swerved from the right shoulder to the left turnaround lane on the highway, and a fucking Beto. It's Ted Bundy. If you don't know what Ted Bundy is, the murderer, right? Denver back in the day. Smart guy, genius level intelligence. It just had a killing problem, right? But that's the problem there, and that coin's going to zero, and that's going to happen to a lot of other things that you don't think can happen. That coin went from riches to bankrupt in essentially 12 hours, right? It's down 97% in less than a day, and it's going near zero, right? XRP could do one of those one day, right? Because I don't think XRP is a bunch of anything besides a bunch of nonsense. Just like that Luna, right? I had to hear all about Luna for 12 months. Well, Luna's done. I never got to hear about Luna ever again, except when it's at a 5,000% pump from 1 penny to 3 pennies, right? So I never got to hear from it again. XRP's coming back down, it looks like, to this 47 cents, top part of this orange support zone. And as we know, the orange support zone is the last line of defense, a.k.a. get my shit together to the shit house. And that's down here at 47 cents. That's what it looks like we're coming back down to, the double bottom in the old XRP, right? And then we got Algo, that short position we had. It had a nice pump. Now it's dumping. It's coming back down to that green support zone at about 48 cents. If you fail to hold that, you're coming all the way down here to 40 cents, right? Lots of bearishness going on. Lots of bears in the house taking over. You can see Cardano, another coin that we were warning about. When this breaks, the bottom part of this, you're going to flash crash all the way down to 32 cents. Like, subscribe, and share to Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing, and we'll keep you up to date and out ahead of the competition as we diagnose, sniff out, and detect the criminal gangsters and banksters that have infiltrated the United States government, Federal Reserve, in order to knock down and beat down the retail trader, right, and to manipulate the market. That's what I'm here to help you sidestep and avert. And right now, if we get below this orange support zone at that 64 cents, we're coming right down to the top part of the shithouse at 31 cents. This is a short alert. Peace and love. Peace and love.